Number 1. Solid and road-proven. This 1971 Dodge Coronet sedan, offered at $6,900 in Griffin, Georgia, reflects the durable, full-size character of early 70s Mopar design. Finished in gold and equipped with an automatic transmission, it is described as running and driving smoothly, with both air conditioning and heater functioning properly. Cosmetic needs are visible, particularly in the seating surfaces, yet the car has handled extended highway trips without issue. The Coronet line represented Dodge's dependable midsize and full-size presence during a period of bold styling transitions. Number 2. Preserved and family kept. This 1977 Pontiac Catalina, listed at $6,500 in Graham, Texas, reflects the understated confidence of late 70s full-size sedans. Finished in gold and equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission, it carries a 301 cubic inch V8 and shows 23,000 miles. The headliner has been replaced and major functions operate as intended. Aside from a locked air conditioning compressor, while the blower motor remains active, the Catalina remained a cornerstone of Pontiac's lineup, valued for smooth, cruising manners and spacious practicality. Number 3. Iconic and enduring. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, offered at $8,300 in Baker, Louisiana, reflects the unmistakable charm of first-generation pony car design. Finished in silver with a black interior, it features an automatic transmission paired with a 289 cubic inch V8 and shows 145,000 miles. Recent attention includes new spark plugs, fuel pump, filters, and fuel line, supporting its running and driving condition. With a clean title in place, the Mustang remains a defining symbol of mid-60s sporty style and accessible performance. Number 4. Broad and unmistakably 70s. This 1973 Chrysler New Yorker sedan, offered at $6,500 in St. Joseph, Missouri, reflects the grand scale and comfort-focused approach of the era. Finished in green with a matching green interior, it carries an automatic transmission and shows 107,214 miles. Recent mechanical investment includes refreshed brakes, cooling components, front-end parts, ignition service, and newer white-wall tires. The interior presents strongly, while carburetor tuning and minor fluid leaks remain to be addressed. The New Yorker represented Chrysler's flagship approach to spacious, smooth-riding luxury during its time. Number 5. Elegance lingers around this 1968 Plymouth Fury 4-door, listed at $7,500 in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It features an automatic transmission with an off-white exterior paired to a blue interior and gasoline power. The full-size body presents broad lines and traditional late 60s comfort-focused design. Large proportions and upright styling highlight the era's preference for spacious, family-oriented transportation and relaxed highway travel. Fury models gained respect for delivering dependable cruising ability while representing Plymouth's strong presence during a competitive muscle era. Number 6. Crimson Presence carries this 1985 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, priced at $8,499, and located in Molino, Florida. The red exterior contrasts sharply with a blue interior, giving this truck a period-correct but uncommon color combination. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives, presenting as a usable full-size pickup rather than a stalled project. Clean title status supports straightforward ownership. Chevrolet's mid-1980s half-ton trucks earn a reputation for durability and simple mechanical design that still resonates with classic truck enthusiasts today. Number 7. Steel confidence defines this 1968 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, priced at $7,000, and located in Odessa, Texas. Finished in gray with a burgundy interior, this shortened bed pickup pairs a 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and presents as a running classic. Recent updates include new tires on 15 by 10 aluminum wheels, a new battery, a new carburetor, a chrome power brake booster, fresh rear coil springs, and renewed brake components. Late 60s Chevrolet trucks are remembered for clean lines and honest work ethic heritage. Number 8. Steadfast utility shapes this 1975 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe single cab, offered at $4,000. Finished in white, it runs an automatic transmission paired with a 350 crate engine that starts easily and pulls confidently. The truck completed a 3-hour Missouri to Arkansas drive without trouble, reinforcing its road manners. Title is in hand, transmission performs well, and overall presentation remains honest. Located in Tonatown, Arkansas, with viewing arranged nearby. This era marked Chevrolet's shift toward more comfortable, dependable work trucks during the mid-1970s production years. Number 9. Workhorse character anchors this 1982 Ford F-100 Custom, offered at $5,500, and located in Spring, Texas. Finished in red, this pickup is powered by a dependable inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission, presenting a straightforward, usable classic configuration. With approximately 110,000 miles shown, it has served as a daily driver and is described as running strong with no mechanical issues. The truck does lack air conditioning and shows rust consistent with age. Early 1980s F-Series models are remembered for durability and simple, honest truck engineering. Number 10. Rugged purpose defines this 1973 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, priced at $1,500. Finished in white with a black interior, it carries an automatic transmission, a 350 engine, a 350 transmission, a 14-bolt rear axle, a Dana 44 front axle, and a 205 transfer case. The truck is not currently running and shows rust at the corners, with title in hand. Located in Elia, Oregon, this generation helps cement Chevrolet's reputation for durable, work-focused pickups. Number 11. Commanding presence meets rugged capability in this 1979 GMC 2500 K20, listed at $7,500 in Minden, Nevada. Powered by a 454 V8 and paired with an automatic transmission, it features massive 40-inch Mickey Thompson tires and fully functional four-wheel drive. The truck runs strong, though the exhaust is cut off and it won't pass smog. Sold as is. Its long bed and solid frame make it perfect for hauling or off-road adventures, while the white exterior and gray interior maintain a classic utilitarian look. A true workhorse for enthusiasts seeking raw power and style. Number 12. Raw and rugged. This 1979 Ford F-150FX2 pickup commands attention at $7,500 in Odessa, Texas. Powered by a 300 cubic inch inline-six paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it's built for hands-on driving. The classic black exterior wears its miles with pride, reflecting 258,000 adventures on the road. Simple, durable, and ready to roll, this truck embodies late 70s Ford workhorse spirit. Its straightforward mechanics and robust drivetrain make it a prime candidate for restoration or a dependable daily driver for those who appreciate true vintage grit. Number 13. Unassuming at first glance, this 1973 Ford GT Coupe in Havelock, North Carolina, is a hands-on build priced at $4,000. Finished in black with a blue interior, it carries an automatic transmission and a 351 Cleveland already fitted, needing timing and tuning to move forward. Many parts have been replaced, and nearly everything removed from the car is included with the sale. It is not finished and still requires commitment, but the foundation is there for someone wanting to complete a classic coupe and shape it into a reliable driver with character. Number 14. Power hums through this 1972 Chevrolet 1500 Cheyenne at $4,950 in Washington, Indiana. This long bed truck features a rebuilt 350 small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission, delivering classic Chevy performance with minimal fuss. Its green exterior and blue interior are mostly original, complemented by mag rims that add subtle flair. The body and frame are solid for its age, making it a prime candidate for restoration or a father and son project. Drivable, dependable, and brimming with vintage charm. It's a true early 70s Chevy gem. Number 15. Classic and full of vintage truck character. This 1976 Chevrolet Camper Special is offered at $1,400 in Blanchard, Oklahoma. Finished in brown with a matching brown interior. It features an automatic transmission paired with a 350 V8. Equipped with factory power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning, it reflects a well-equipped truck from its era. The vehicle has not been started in several years, making it a great opportunity for restoration or rewarding revival project. Straight for its age and rich with potential, it is ready to begin its next chapter. Number 16. Quirky and efficient. This 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit, listed at $4,477 in Armuyie, Georgia, highlights the practical charm of early diesel compact pickups. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and powered by a 1.6L naturally aspirated diesel engine. Finished in silver with a blue interior. The truck is paid off and offered with a title, positioned as an entry-level daily driver with room for continued refinement over time. The Rabbit pickup earned appreciation for its fuel economy, lightweight design, and simple mechanical layout, traits that made it both approachable and economical to run. Number 17. Gritty and purposeful. This 1979 Ford F-150XL pickup, listed at $6,200 in Encampment, Florida, showcases the tough character of late 70s short-wheelbase four-wheel drive trucks. It is equipped with a manual Granny 4-speed transmission and powered by a 300 inline-six. Finished in black with a blue interior showing 182,000 miles. The truck runs and shifts strong, with four-wheel drive engaging properly, power steering and brakes equipped, and rust addressed in the floors and bed. Electrical and steering concerns are noted. The F-150 of this era built its reputation on durability, torque-rich engines, and honest, work-ready design. Number 18. Dependable and work-ready. This 1985 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, listed at $4,200 in Lamar, Arkansas, reflects the straightforward durability of mid-80s 3/4 ton pickups. It is equipped with an automatic turbo Hydra-Matic 400 transmission and powered by a 350 engine with a 4.10 rear gear. Finished in red with a matching red interior showing 74,000 miles. Described as a daily driver, it runs and drives great with good tires and no noted smoke or leaks. The C20 models became known for blending heavy-duty capability with simple, long-lasting mechanical design. Number 19. Vivid and square-bodied. This 1971 Chevrolet Silverado Cheyenne long bed, listed at $5,000 in Houston, Texas, reflects the bold styling that defined early 70s pickup design. Finished in orange with a matching orange interior, it carries an automatic transmission and currently houses a 1986 305 small block V8. The truck does not run and stands as a full project supported by a clean title under current ownership. The Cheyenne trim signaled a more upscale direction within Chevrolet's truck range during this formative era. Number 20. Weathered yet undeniably functional. This 1970 Ford F-100, listed at $1,000 in Mechanicsville, Maryland, reflects the honest character of a well-used classic pickup. Finished in white and equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column, it carries a 302 cubic inch V8 and shows 41,586 miles. Despite its worn appearance, it runs, drives, and stops confidently, supported by ignition and carburetor upgrades. The F-100 stood as a backbone of Ford's truck lineup, valued for durability and straightforward mechanical design.